Mike here at Frederick Chevrolet. I want to talk to you today about the all-new redesigned 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. This here is the premier model. It is a great looking vehicle. Looks great on the inside. You have wood grain trim. You have your cream color stitching. Good cream trim here on the back seats. Bucket seats in the rear. Chevrolet Suburban comes with up to 25 safety features, including your blind spot monitoring, lane change assist, lane keep assist, rear collision avoidance, park assist, and your front collision avoidance as well. The cargo space in these things, it's phenomenal. It's unreal. Here, pull up again. Okay, easy access to your third row. Remote lift gate. Look at all the space in the back of this thing, guys. The vehicle has about 42 square feet of space with these seats folded up. Fold down the seats. With all of your seats folded down, you're going to have about 145 square foot of storage space back here. Great vehicle, has tons of space, really comfortable ride for you and your family. Speaking of that smooth ride, the Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe now have a rear independent suspension. So your wheels are going to move separately, going over bumps, going over off-road. This is a great luxury vehicle, but it's also going to treat you right whenever you and your family want to go off the map on the weekend. You have your 10.2 inch display screen here, in-vehicle navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Play, wireless charging, up to 8 USB ports for you and your guests, clients, family members, whoever you need to charge anything. Sunglass holder here, and we have that all luxurious panoramic sunroof. So folks, this vehicle has everything you could want or need in it. If you want to take a look at it, give me a call here at Frederick Chevrolet, 717-274-1461, extension 1131. Or just come on in, ask for Mike, I'd be glad to help you out. And don't forget, Frederick Chevrolet, veteran owned and operated. We can't wait to see you.